Hello everyone in cyber world, my name is Richard.
And I'm Jennifer. Welcome to our YouTube channel, otherwise known as Poor Man's DIY.
When we first started making videos, it was only intended for family members scattered throughout the US and some in Japan. But much to our surprise, our channel started growing significantly and we never expected this.
So we decided, since people that we don't even know spend valuable time watching our videos, we want to make the best quality video out there. Now, we have so much more to learn.
Unlike other DIY channels and woodworking channels, we do not provide detailed instructions and measurements on the projects that we build.
But we are willing to do so if required.
Right. Our primary focus is to show you that you don't have to spend a ton of money to get things done around the house. You can hire contractors, but obviously they get really expensive. So all we want to do is show that even you can do the things that we do simply.
And we also want to show that you don't need expensive equipment to do the projects around the house.
Although we've been doing woodworking and DIY projects on our own for many years, we've recently noticed a trend with manufacturers making their products so that they can be done easily by people without any construction or woodworking experience.
A prime example is to install flooring. You can lay the pieces on the floor and snap them together without any glue or nails.
And this is where our channel's name originated from, where even a poor man
or women could build things.
So as you may have guessed by now, we live on the beautiful island of Hawaii. Unfortunately, the cost of living here is quite high, so DIY is the best way for you to save some money.
So we welcome you to our channel, and I hope we inspired you with some of our videos, and if not, at least pure entertainment.
So we post new videos every Sunday morning, but feel free to check out some of our older videos as well if you'd like. If you enjoy the content, please like, comment, or subscribe.
See you soon.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.